Global agriculture is entering a new era. Climate pressure, rising production demands, and evolving cultivation systems are reshaping modern agriculture worldwide. Agriculture is no longer defined by geography alone. Modern cultivation increasingly depends on efficiency, precision systems, and advanced production environments. Drought, salinity, climate instability, and increasing pressure on agricultural inputs continue to reshape cultivation realities across global agricultural markets. Production environments increasingly depend on real-time monitoring, technical flexibility, and data-driven agricultural operations. Fertilizer manufacturers, greenhouse operations, formulators, and industrial agricultural companies continue to operate in increasingly technical and performance-driven production environments. At the same time, feed and pet food industries continue to focus on nutritional efficiency, formulation performance, and modern production standards. Cropenta operates within modern agricultural industries, shaped by evolving cultivation systems, technical production environments, and international agricultural realities. Together with an international network of technical specialists and industry partners, Cropenta operates across diverse agricultural markets, cultivation systems, and application environments worldwide. From greenhouse fertigation and precision agriculture to large-scale field operations across multiple continents, modern agriculture continues to evolve, supporting the evolution of modern agriculture. Cropenta, smart inputs, stronger results.